Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on Wholesale2B. So first off guys, what you're gonna do is click on register for free. So after clicking on that guys, we need to enter our first name. So our first name is Net, our last name is Tick, our email address is this one, and now we enter our password. So here it is. Now we just sign up, click on free sign up with no credit card, and now we just wait for a brief seconds to be registered. Here we are, but I guess so our email has been already taken, so I'll try to log in. Here it is. I'll try just to log in with Google. For me it will be easier. So Peter Automation, this is the account, then click on continue, and now we'll be redirected to the site, I guess, to the main part of the site. We just wait again for a few seconds to load, and here it is guys. So first off, now we can see which are the popular plans that get most orders. Now Andrew, I'm sorry, but I'll close you. So Viva la Juicy Rose by Juicy, this perfume, it's 71.60% off retail. Like it's you can buy it for $28, and after that you can sell it like for additionally 70%. You can also buy this widescreen for again $97, and then just charge this amount of price. So there's also here free shipping for this Scottish kit, semi-full dress Spartan genuine 100% real leather, I guess. And there are also trending items like this perfume. There is these things. You can see the percentages of retail. So also guys, we can see the plans, but we will talk about them in a second. Right now we are going to see that there are trending items, new items, free shipping items, price drop items, big profits with many images. But let's see the big profits items. We just wait for a brief second right here just to load up the page, and now we can see the Aventus by Creed the perfume spray is for $365. It's 16.09% off retail, so you're going to get it for a lot cheaper than you're going to sell it. You can also buy a bow, kids electric quad ATV, and also many things. But yeah guys, you can see all these categories here. We can see where we can drop ship, like in the UK. We can see the dropship classes, product alerts, drop ship analytics, and the earn rewards program and the news program. We can here click on find the products. We can here see our profile and edit credit card. We can change our password, my preferences, but now we're going to talk about the plans. So there's a startup plan that gives us this amount of perks with buying it. So for $9.99 per month, you get all these perks like no automation, excellent for starters, get a spreadsheet, manually copy paste, HTML image URLs, manually place orders, order tracking through wholesale prices, and you can upgrade anytime. For the dropship integrations, you can get an eBay account, an Amazon account, Shopify free trial, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, all these kinds of things. You can also get a We Create a Store for You program that you get everything automatically, and just your items are being bought, everything is built by the site. And there is also the download product data that allows you to download all these things with the support of CSV files, XML files, and W2B APIs. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I hope that it was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.